You will always see me in this, or in like some $5 Walmart black little shoes or white ones. But I'm also a sneaker head, guys. I have a lot of Jordans. I have these $500 Nike shoes that I bought. Pookie hates them, by the way, guys. They were like $500. They glow in the dark and they look like spaceman shoes. Do you like those shoes, yes or no?
No, they look like fat birotes.
Yeah, they look like birotes, but I bought them as well, guys, because they glow in the dark. We're gonna take some shots right now, guys, because we gotta get to that weekend vibe. Also, guys, I'm letting you know that I love Ciroc. For those of you guys that follow me on Instagram, you know that Ciroc needs to sponsor me. Vodka needs to sponsor me because that's all I drink, guys. So I'm gonna show you guys that I really, really do like Ciroc. I like apple, but today we're gonna go with the peach right now. So let's take a nice, decent shot. Cave Gang, this is for all the supporters. Thank you, guys. We're almost at 10K, guys. We're 300 subs away. Let's get it to 10K. I'm gonna start posting more videos as well, guys, because I've been lagging in it. That was delicious, guys. All I need now is probably like a cup of noodles. Why is it so hot in here? Oh my god!
I fucking told you, you never fucking listen. I promise I'm not gonna finish it. What did you do?
And I spent like 30 on Javinci. You can't walk with my shoes cause they just Giuseppe. All my friends are dead, so I know they won't turn against me.
Alright, guys, so we're opening up the vlog right here, right now. We're at the Momo. We're getting kicked out. There was weed. We got the food right here with the chains pulling out. That's right. That's right. We're getting kicked out, guys, for smoking and being too loud. Hey, careful.
I know, I'm trying to empty it out. We're just getting kicked out.
Yeah, go on. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Let's go. Momo kick out. Chris, you look good. Ew, that's crazy. Hey, that's right. Los cayó la chota, wey. Trey, wait. Okay, so she used to drive a Honda before, and now what are you driving? A 392 2019, guys. I like it, I like it, I like it. Alright, guys, so we're pulling up right now as we speak, and we have the action going on right now. We got the flow going live right now. We got the mini truck now, guys. Uh-oh. They're burning hard, guys. They're burning hard right now. Cops pulling up right now as we speak. He's going in. They're blocking. Oh, they're blocking. They're blocking. That's right. Oh, he went right around him. Where's he going? Oh. Hold on. The mini truck's going. They're going. They're going. The cops are coming out, guys. They're running after I don't know who. Oh, damn. They're coming in hot. Cops are going, guys. This thing is out of control right now. Oh shit, we're running, guys. They're drunk as hell. Córrele, güey. Vámonos. Damn, guys, they came in hot today. So we're out here at an intersection right now. It's getting cracked right now. We're getting started.
Yo, what's up? I wanna send a shout out to my boy right here, post up at the takeovers. Sunday fun day, we don't give a fuck, homie.
There you go. $392 for the win, guys. You know I'm always loving these cars right here. Got the helicopter on top, guys, right now. He's lighting us up now. Alright guys, so we're pulling up to the next location, but highway patrol's here already, guys, making a left as we speak. The doors have slid open, guys. Hey, we're changing spot. Look at this rare footage right here. People actually leaving. It looks very beautiful. It's like boom, boom, boom. And then traffic. But then you see a lot of action right here, guys. Look at this. We're patrolling here. We spot here. Wait, he's gonna cross. What the? That's a real life movie. He's coming through. That's a real life Mustang. What the hell's going on? Casually just cruising.
Ahí con el Mustang, ¿verdad?
Me gusta, me gusta. Una bailecita. Vale. See you later, Mustang. Oh, guys, we're coming in hard right now. We're coming in very hard, guys. There's cops right here. I don't know what's going on here. We're pulling up media squad. Oh, damn. Alright, guys, so we just came out of the crazy car meets, you know, cops everywhere. Pulling up to a local place right here. And then we have the cops right here as well. They're pointing at us like we're criminals, but we ain't no criminals, guys. But anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Gang movement. Thank you so much for the support. We're right here watching the crime scene, guys. Damn, we got more cops coming in. Hey, they're searching houses right now. They're searching. There's like 2 cars parked right there. I don't know what the hell happened.
They search dicks and everything already.
They're searching dicks. They're searching camel toes. From what I heard from Officer Penis, he said that the guy sitting down has a shrimp, so they really want to double check. But I hear reinforcements coming in. I feel like this whole block is gonna be full of cops right now. I don't know if I'm gonna have to whip my dick out or what's gonna happen, guys. But yeah, let's get it.